This is my YouTube video and my first voiceover, so I'm a little nervous, so please ignore my pronunciation mistakes. I'm mostly drawing Lisa from Blackpink. She's my favorite K-pop idol and I want to draw her from so long time. Today I'm drawing by the grid method. I mean, this is easier for beginners, so I choose to go with the grid method, and also I don't want to make any mistakes. Tip I would like to give you guys is to sharpen your pencil always. I know this is so basic, but many people ignore this and just their drawing ends up looking so messy. Also, try to keep your grid lines as light as you can so you can erase it later. Grid method is like a puzzle, okay? You have to just arrange all the boxes neatly and you have to make every single box neatly, so it's quite easier than making the full drawing because you just have to focus on one box at a time. Well, this is mainly because drawing an eye or lips or any facial features can sound hard, but when you do the grid method, you just have to draw shapes in the box. And yeah, there's no rush. So if you don't like your drawing, just erase it and make it again, okay? There is no artist in the world that doesn't make mistakes. So here, as you can see, instead of using the fine lines, you can just use the strokes and some type of little shading while drawing the portrait. The shadows and highlights are the main part of the drawing that makes the drawing look 3D and not some flat work. As you can see, in this drawing there is no fine line. I'm just using simple shading to lock the shadows. It can look messy at first, but trust the process. Now, here comes the second eye, the most hardest thing you can see to draw in the world. Okay, the second eye, this is the topic of discussion. First of all, you don't have to rush or you don't have to panic, you just have to follow the box and follow the grid. And as you can see, I made a cross-line grid, so it makes it more easier to draw. Okay, the iris. Iris is so good to draw, like it's just a black hole. And now you can notice, now that we draw all the facial features, the drawing is now recognizable and finally you can see Blackpink Lisa in it. Okay, so face is almost ready, so we are going towards the hair. Well, Lisa got a cute jawline, we can say. Make the hair as light as you can. And please never use a straight line, okay? Hair is not straight, it's just wavy, and you can see Lisa's hair is wavy in this picture. So you just have to draw and follow the grid and make it as wavy, and if you make a mistake, just use the eraser. I'm not making the necklace too much detailed because I'm just lazy to do that. Okay, so the drawing is done. Now just a simple touch up for the features and making the features like a bit darker, so looks good. The ones who have stayed till here, I'm really thankful to you guys for watching my video. Please like, share and comment.